Many believe shedding pounds is just about diet and exercise. Yet countless individuals face the relentless challenge of stubborn belly fat. Could there be a hidden reason why it refuses to budge? Inside every cell, mitochondria drive your metabolism. These tiny powerhouses determine how efficiently your body burns fat. When they slow down, even the best diet and exercise plans can fall short. Healthy mitochondria are crucial for energy, stamina, and fat burning. Mitolyn is designed to support mitochondrial health with powerful ingredients like PQQ and CoQ10. Users report consistent weight loss and clean energy without relying on stimulants. Experience the benefits of Mitolyn for yourself. I've linked the official Mitolyn website in the description below,
where you can check for 90-day money-back guarantees.
Start your journey to lasting weight loss.